Hello everyone, it's Mia. Welcome to my video. So today's video is about how to DIY a wall hand project. The result didn't turn out like perfect, but I still like it. It's more like experiment because this is my first time doing this kind of project, and I made some realizations. So if you guys also want to do this project, then you can watch this video and have a basic idea and do a better job than me. So after I cut them in the same length, I just do a simple head knock, which you fold in half and place a loop over the rod. And then bring the loop around the back and pull your two cord ends through the loop to tighten. So after that, I used a single knock to secure the loops, which I used the cord from the last loop and the one from the next loop to tighten together, make a basic knot, and I think this will secure odd loops. Now it's the painting time. So before I did this project, I didn't really think about what kind of color I should go with, so I just simply chose the color that I like. And I mixed the color with lots of water because if it's more wet, then it's more easier to dye the yarn. Well, I highly recommend that to use a small section of the yarn to test the color first, so you can see how the color goes with each other. That will make sure the final project looks good. However, I was too lazy, so I didn't really do that. I just started with my entire project with the color.
There turns to rain. In Pennsylvania.
So I painted with pink, green, and blue colors. They did look good when they're still wet, but because I didn't wait for the first section get dried and then paint the next section, so the colors that close to each other, they got melted in each other and does not have a clear edge. So I think I have to paint it over again. And also because the paint color is kind of too pink when it gets dry, so I decided to wash over and then paint with a new color. So this time I choose the creamy purple color. I mixed with lots of white color with a little bit blue and a little bit pink.
Right now. How about some temperatures, Jim? There turns to rain in Pennsylvania.
I really like this creamy purple color. I think it's much better than the pink color that I used to have. So because I washed off the pink section, it's also kind of messed up the green section and the blue section. So I have to paint it over again too. And this time I want to do a gradient color. So I start with one edge like darker blue and the other edge is lighter blue. And for the green section, it's one edge darker green and the other edge is more like yellow green.
Now we're going to have lots of music coming up in Pennsylvania.
And for this time, I painted the purple and the blue section first, and I left the green section for dry. And I waited until the purple and the blue get dry almost completely, and then I started to paint the green sections. So I think this time I got a clear edges between the colors.
Here it turns to snow.
if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.